ISOFormula program. Please watch the following steps. Click on the link in the email that ISOFormula has sent you. This will open up the ISOFormula webpage. Now enter the key, username and password and press Begin Session. Once in the program, click on the suggestions icon. Now you will see the ISOFormula user guide with the recommended steps to start using the program. In all applications of this program, you will meet three basic functions. The plus icon is used to add data. The disk icon is used to save data. The minus icon is used to delete data. To start using the program, we begin by creating departments. To do this, click on Configure. Click in the option Department and then click on New Records. Enter your company's department and save. Now we will learn how to create job descriptions. In the top menu, click on the tab P6.2-01 Job Description. Now click on New Record and introduce the information for each job. Now save this data. In this way, we obtain the list of jobs. Creating users. In the top menu, click on the tab P6.2 Human Resources and select Personnel File. Click on New Record and then introduce the data of each user. Listed below are the different categories and roles of users and their corresponding functions. This will be the finished result. If you want a user to access the program, introduce his or her ID. If the user wants to generate a password or change the language of the program, he or she may click on Change Your Preferences. The administrator can always assign a new password for any user. Setting user permissions. Click on Configure on the top right menu and then click on the option User Permissions. Select a user, then you can limit access to each menu option as shown. Upload documents for the editor's use. Click on Document Management on the top right menu. Click on New Record. Click on Examiner and select the document that you want to attach. When finished, click on Save and repeat this cycle for each document. Should you require electronic approval, previously we should introduce a user with the role of Approver in tab P.62-02 Personnel File, or alternatively, the ISO 3, Creating Users. When the approver accesses the program in section Document Management, it shows an icon that notifies that there are documents pending approval. When you import documents, you see a screen like this. What's next? Now you can use all records of the program. We suggest you start like this. One, inform users of their passwords to use the program, indicating their roles and permissions. 2. Distribute documents, P4-01. 3. Enlist customers, P7.2, and suppliers, P7.4. Remember that you can import them, menu Configure. 4. Now you can continue, for example, with non-conformity, objectives, control of records, etc. Clicking on the name of the company, top right screen, you may change the desktop theme. There are 11 different combinations.